Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a column to existing table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a table. Now we want to add column to this existing table. Go to the table design menu. Go to the layout menu and we can see here some option. We click the insert right columns, click this option and we can see here insert a column this table right very easily. Otherwise you can insert left, click the insert left option. Then we can see we insert or add column to this existing table left or right very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.